So here are list of some of the disease resistant varieties developed. There are 3 columns here. First column crop, name of the crop. Second column variety, and third column resistant to diseases. Okay, like see leaf and stipe rust, white rust, black rot. So all these, how they are resistant. And here these two are very important. I know that it's quite difficult to remember, but you have to remember it. Okay, you can expect these questions even in the NEET or any competitive examination. You have to remember it. Try to remember. See now, crop wheat. Okay, wheat. Now one variety is developed called as Himagiri. Himagiri. This is resistant to some kind of disease. It is there in the list. Okay, for wheat Himagiri. You have to remember that. Second one, Brassica. For Brassica, the name of the variety which is resistant to this particular disease is Pusa swarnim. Pusa swarnim. For cauliflower, they developed 2 varieties which is very resistant to disease like black rot. Okay, Pusa shubra and Pusa snowball K1. It's a name of that variety which is disease resistant, developed. Now cowpea, Pusa komal. Similarly, chili, Pusa sadabahar. So now see us, Pusa sadabahar is one variety. It's a variety which is very resistant to disease. Like see us, CMV is chili mosaic virus, and TMV is tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, so that virus cannot cause any harm to this particular chili plant, Pusa sadabahar. They are very resistant to this. So like this, these examples you try to remember, and these examples are given to know, okay, how different resistant variety breeds are produced. Okay, now see, in case of mutational breeding, for example, if you take mung bean, okay, just I'll rub this. If you take mung bean, it's a crop, okay, mung bean, okay, this is mutationally treated, okay, mutational breeding variety of this can be obtained which becomes resistant to yellow mosaic virus. Yellow mosaic virus, okay. So like this, we should try to remember 1 or 2 examples for each type of disease resistant varieties. Thank you, students.